Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add item to shopping list on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon application. After that, here you can search any item you want to add to your shopping list. Okay, and then scroll down. After that, here you can tap on this option, Add to List. And then you can select the first one. Okay, and then the item is successfully added to your shopping list. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add item to shopping list on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.